Okay, so basalt is a good one to compare to granite because granite is lightly coloured with lots of large crystals, and basalt is darkly coloured with lots of small crystals. And this one also looks a lot like slate if you're watching these in order. And you can see it looks like slate except for those like really bright, shiny things. Maybe you can see some sparkling on the macroscopic view. On the digital camera, you can see there's lots of little really shiny faceted areas, so they're crystals in random directions. So not a lot, but they're scattered all over the place here. So that being said, it would be crystals, dark hard, random crystals. Not sure. Range of minerals greater than 30%, but not greater than 90%. So igneous, extrusive. So that makes sense. So we go to the igneous tables now. And like we did before, we can go right to the darker end. And we go up here to the texture, and it's very fine. So if it's very fine, there's no gas pockets, so it leaves us with these two. And so it's either basalt or diabase. And what's the difference between the two? Probably very little. And it is mainly dark. All right. So I know it's blue metal, the common basalt rock in Australia. And I'm not going to increase my expertise to be able to differentiate between those two, diabase, which I've never heard of. Okay, so is it less than 1 millimeter? I guess to be fair, I still need to do the ruler on it. I can get that in there. It's certainly less than 1 millimeter. Those little crystals and stuff. Sorry, it's a bit wonky. Let's try and make it firm. They're definitely less than 1 millimeter. How small are they allowed to get? Doesn't matter, as long as they're less than 1 millimeter. So we're all good. And lastly, just one other thing I forgot to mention. You can see that there's also a density difference, that it is far more dense, the basalt, than the granite. So it's good to just go back on your chemistry, physics skills and do a density test on those and see, put it in a measuring cylinder and weigh it and see which one's more dense. Density is mass over volume.